If you're feeling broken, alone, like no one truly sees you, then this story is for, because sometimes the most painful moments are exactly what awaken us. There was a boy. He smiled for the world, but cried into his pillow every night. He worked hard, loved deeply, and still, life kept taking from him. Friends left, family misunderstood, the world moved on. But he stayed, stuck in pain. One day, he stood at the edge of the rooftop, not to jump, but to scream at a universe that never seemed to care. But in that moment of silence, something whispered inside him. This pain isn't the end, it's the beginning. He didn't heal in one day, but he began to write, to speak, to walk again. He helped strangers who were once like him. He didn't become a hero, he just became, and that was more powerful than anything else. You're not weak because you're broken. You're human, and maybe the most powerful version of you is born. If you feel this, share this video. Someone out there needs it more than you know. Comment "I choose to heal" if this touched you. Subscribe for more real stories.